What if I told you? The future of cars is already here, but most people still don't understand it. This isn't just another SUV. This is something bigger, something smarter, something that could completely change the way you think about driving forever. And today, you're about to experience it from every single angle, because this is the Toyota BZ4X. Now, before you click away thinking, yeah, another electric car, let me stop you right there, because this one is different. Toyota didn't just build an EV, they built a statement, a message to the entire auto industry. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll either want this car or you'll completely rethink what you expect from modern vehicles. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep. The first thing you notice is the design. It doesn't look like your typical SUV. It's sharp, aggressive, futuristic, almost like something pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. The front has this sleek, closed-off grille because, well, it doesn't need air like a traditional engine. That alone tells you, and this is not old-school engineering. The LED headlights are razor-sharp, and the whole body has this aerodynamic shape designed to reduce, drag, and improve efficiency. And here's something most people don't realize. Design in EVs is not just about looks. Every curve, every line, it affects range. And speaking of range, this car delivers around 460 to 500 kilometers on a full charge, depending on the variant and driving conditions. Now think about that for a second. That's enough for long trips without constantly worrying about charging. And yes, charging. This is where most people have doubts. How long does it take? Using fast charging, you can go from around 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. At home, overnight charging becomes your routine. Just plug it in like your phone and wake up to a full tank. Except, it's not a tank anymore. It's pure electric power. And when you press that accelerator, that's where things get interesting. Instant torque. No delay, no engine noise, no gear shifts. Just smooth, silent, powerful acceleration. It feels like the car is gliding, not driving. And once you experience that, going back to petrol feels outdated. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Actually, there's no traditional engine. Instead, you get an electric motor powered by a lithium-ion battery. Depending on the version, you get front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The AWD version is especially impressive. Better grip, better control, and more confidence on rough or slippery roads. Toyota also focused heavily on battery durability. They claim the battery will retain around 90% capacity even after 10 years of use. That's a big deal. Because one of the biggest fears people have about EVs is battery life. Toyota knows that, and they addressed it directly. Now step inside. This is where the car really starts to feel like the future. The interior is clean, minimal, but very smart. You get a large touchscreen infotainment system right in the center with navigation, media, and full connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, everything is there. The digital instrument cluster is positioned higher than usual, almost like a heads-up display, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. Small detail, but huge impact on driving safety. The seats are comfortable, supportive, and designed for long drives. Plenty of legroom, plenty of headroom, even for rear passengers. And the cabin feels airy and open, especially if you get the panoramic roof option. Now let's talk about something people don't expect from Toyota: technology. This car is loaded. You get Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, basically a full suite of driver assistance features. This car doesn't just drive, it helps you drive smarter and safer. Then there's regenerative braking. Every time you slow down, the car recovers energy and sends it back to the battery. So you're literally charging while driving. Efficiency on another level. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why should someone choose this over a petrol car? Simple. Lower running cost. Electricity is cheaper than fuel. Maintenance is minimal. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, less wear and tear. And over time, that saves you serious money. Plus, zero emissions, cleaner air, better future. Now here's where things get interesting. Toyota was actually late to the EV game compared to brands like Tesla. But when Toyota enters a market, they don't come to play. They come to dominate. And the BZ4X is just the beginning. BZ actually stands for Beyond Zero, meaning beyond zero emissions. Toyota is aiming for something bigger than just electric cars. They're aiming for a completely sustainable future. Now imagine this. You're driving silently through the city at night. No engine noise. No vibrations. Just smooth motion. Like you're floating. People turn their heads. Not because it's loud, but because it's different. That's the power of this car. It doesn't shout. It doesn't need to. It stands out quietly. Now let's talk real-world use. Is it practical? Yes. Daily commute? Perfect. Long drives? Comfortable. Family use? Spacious enough. Charging infrastructure? Growing rapidly. So the real question is not, can you use it? The real question is, are you ready to switch? Because once you go electric, there's no going back. And this car proves it. Now imagine 5 years from now, petrol cars start disappearing. Electric becomes the norm, and people look back at cars like this and say, this was the turning point. And maybe, just maybe, you were one of the first to experience it. So if you made it this far, you already know this is not just a car. It's a shift, a transformation, a glimpse into what's coming next. And the real question is, are you going to be part of the future or stay stuck in the past? If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure you subscribe, because we're just getting started. More cars, more tech, more future. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.